TE Connectivity enetSEAL Plus Ethernet connectors are designed to provide a reliable and robust Ethernet connection for industrial and commercial transportation applications. These connectors feature TE's industry-proven MCON 1.2 clean body CB terminal system, which offers 8 points of contact for high vibration and long-term reliability. In addition, enetSEAL Plus connectors come with built-in secondary locking features to ensure secure contact retention. They also offer multiple keying options and clips for various panel thicknesses. These connectors are designed to support 20 AWG to 22 AWG jacketed unshielded twisted pair UTP cables and ensure IP69K performance with an optional backshell. With a data transfer rate of up to 100 Mbps full duplex, these connectors are ideal for connecting cameras, displays, telemetry units, and radar or LiDAR systems. Visit DigiKey.com for more information about TE Connectivity enetSEAL Plus Ethernet connectors.